Welcome to the future of farming. In a world where sustainable agriculture is more crucial than ever, hydroponics offers a revolutionary way to grow fresh produce efficiently and sustainably. But where do you begin? Meet Maximum Cultivator, your comprehensive guide to mastering hydroponic farming from the comfort of your home. Maximum Cultivator is an e-learning platform dedicated to empowering individuals with the knowledge and tools needed to excel in hydroponic farming. Whether you're a beginner or looking to scale your existing setup, Maximum Cultivator offers structured courses and resources to guide you every step of the way. At the heart of Maximum Cultivator is the Modern Hydroponics Certificate course. For just 1,399 rupees, this 91-day course provides comprehensive lessons on hydroponic systems and techniques, step-by-step guidance from seed germination to harvest, insights into nutrient management, pH and EC monitoring, a recognized certificate with the QR code to validate your expertise. This course is designed to equip you with practical skills to start and manage your hydroponic farm effectively. To complement your learning, Maximum Cultivator offers a suite of help cards and resources. The Nutrient Deficiency Card helps you quickly identify and address plant nutrient issues. The Germination Card lets you master the art of seed germination for various crops. The Hydroponic Cheat Card is a handy reference for system setups and maintenance. The EC Management Card allows you to monitor and adjust electrical conductivity for optimal growth. The pH Ranges card ensures your nutrient solutions are within the ideal pH range. And finally, the Microgreens eBook and Growing Help card lets you dive into the world of microgreens with detailed guides and troubleshooting tips. These resources are designed to provide quick, actionable insights, ensuring your hydroponic journey is smooth and successful. Why choose Maximum Cultivator? Affordability. Access comprehensive training and resources without breaking the bank. Flexibility. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Community support. Join a growing community of hydroponic enthusiasts and experts. Practical tools. Utilize help cards and guides that address real-world challenges. Maximum Cultivator is more than just a course. It's a movement towards sustainable and efficient farming. Ready to embark on your hydroponic journey? Visit www.maximumcultivator.com to enroll in the Modern Hydroponics Certificate course and explore our range of resources. Transform your passion for farming into a thriving venture with Maximum Cultivator. Let's grow together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into modern farming techniques. Stay connected with us on social media for updates, tips, and community stories. Thank you for watching, and here's to your hydroponic success.